Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Thursday, June 10, 2021 on our channel. Airedale launch updated EasiCool Evo2 precision air conditioner. Boardall celebrates 30-year relationship with EJM Engineered Systems. BITZER has issued the manual fundamentals of refrigeration. HP products replaced Series A2 to Series A3. 19th European Conference, the latest technologies in refrigeration and air conditioning. So, first news today. Airedale launch updated EasiCool Evo2 precision air conditioner. Global critical cooling specialist Airedale has launched the latest in its EasiCool range of precision cooling units, EasiCool Evo2. Updated with new technology and with an extended operated envelope, the efficient, compact and flexible EasiCool Evo2 has been specifically designed with the global small, edge data market in mind. Airedale R&D teams have worked hard to deliver improved efficiency, performance and IoT functionality, with cooling capacity of 31 to 98 kilowatts and an energy efficiency ratio, EER, that is up to 25% higher than the previous ranges. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Boardall celebrates 30-year relationship with EJM Engineered Systems. Boardall has marked the 30th anniversary of partnering with industrial refrigeration installation specialist EJM Engineered Systems. With its headquarters in Durham and offices and manufacturing facilities in Derby and more recently an acquisition of an industrial refrigeration company in the southeast, EJM is a leading supplier of high-quality industrial refrigeration systems as well as providing air conditioning, ventilation and maintenance services. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. BITZER has issued the manual and quote, Fundamentals of Refrigeration and quote. The manual Grundlage in der Kalttechnik / Fundamentals of Refrigeration published by Volker Stamer, director of the International BITZER Training Center Schäufler Academy, explains all there is to know about refrigeration. The bilingual manual contains a wealth of basic information in German and English for people who are just entering the industry, yet also serves as a useful reference for seasoned refrigeration technicians. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. HP products replaced Series A2 to Series A3. HP Products announces HPLT-A2 and HPSLT-A2 will be replaced with HPLT-A3 and HPSLT-A3. The A2 will now be replaced by A3 to provide a better product and simplify product program. The A3 provide a better accuracy especially at elevated temperatures and has been used for heat pumps for some years. The difference between the A2 and A3 is the mechanical part only. The A3 has a 20 mm outer pipe whereas the A2 has either 22 or 28 mm pipe, and the dead zones are slightly different. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. 19th European Conference, the latest technologies in refrigeration and air conditioning. For over 40 years, Centro Studi Galileo's European Conference, developed in collaboration with the United Nations, has been the most important event in the HVAC/R sector, refrigeration, heating, ventilation and air conditioning. On 10 and June 11, 2021, dozens of leading industry experts from all over the world will take part in the event, which will take place live from the Polytechnic University of Milan and will thus be available in streaming in over 190 countries. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.